Dearest soul, sometimes the universe will ask you to be patient, not because it is punishing you, but because it is protecting you from certain energies and prepare you for the next stage. Trust the timing of your life. Have faith in the process. There is a divine order to this. Type yes if you agree. Believe in it until it manifests for you. Don't overthink how it will happen. Don't worry about when it will happen. Just believe in it. Believe in yourself. Allow it. Trust it. 3333. You are going to be surprised really soon at how everything suddenly and miraculously worked in your favor. Type 3333 and claim it, and also hit the like button. Thank you all.